Hi, it's Sammy here, and I'm holding one of my favourite Korean ingredients, and that is kimchi. It's actually one of my most favourite ingredients ever. And I'm going to show you a delicious recipe called Pajeon. Pa means spring onion and jeon means pancake. And I'm going to be popping this beautiful kimchi into these pancakes. Stick around to see how I make it. First, we're going to make the batter. Mix together your dry ingredients, your rice flour, corn flour, and plain flour, and a pinch of baking powder for extra fluff. Mix them together until well incorporated. Next, we're going to mix our wet ingredients. In a bowl, add in an egg, some icy cold water, and some finely chopped kimchi and some kimchi brine. Whisk together your wet ingredients and incorporate your wet and dry together. This will form a lovely thick batter. Don't worry, the veggies will get coated perfectly. Next, for the veggies, I'm using julienne carrot and zucchini and sliced up capsicums. And then for the most important ingredient, the spring onion, and that is the pa in Pajeon pancake. Gently toss the batter with all the veggies until well incorporated. Heat up a fry pan to a medium-high heat and add in 2 tablespoons of peanut oil. Next, cook your pancakes by spooning about 2 tablespoons worth for each pancake. Let them fry gently until golden brown on the bottom, and then flip and cook for a further minute on the other side. While your Pajeon are finishing cooking, let's make the dipping sauce. Into a bowl, add in your soy sauce, sesame oil, some freshly grated ginger, a pinch of salt, and some mirin. Mix together to well combined. Enjoy your pancakes with an extra sprinkling of spring onions and some toasted sesame seeds. And that's it, my delicious veggie full Pajeon pancake. Absolutely delicious with a side of kimchi.